Good evening, and welcome to our special report on China's ecological protection and restoration efforts. Tonight we have a special guest, Wendy, a young woman from China who is passionate about land and soil restoration and protecting the natural beauty and biodiversity of her country. Thank you for joining us, Wendy.
Thank you for having me, Gina. It's a pleasure to be here and share my thoughts on this important topic.
Can you tell us what inspired you to become involved in ecological protection and restoration?
Growing up in China, I was always in awe of the stunning landscapes our country has to offer. From the majestic mountains to the pristine lakes and grasslands, China's natural beauty is truly unparalleled. However, I also witnessed the impact of human activities on these ecosystems, and I realized that we need to take action to protect and restore them.
China has recently invested heavily in ecological protection and restoration projects. Can you tell us more about these initiatives?
Yes, since 2016, China has launched 25 pilot projects focused on the ecological protection and restoration of mountains, rivers, forests, fields, lakes, and grasslands ecosystems across 24 provinces. The total investment in these projects is approximately 283 billion CNY. These initiatives aim to restore degraded land, protect biodiversity, and ensure the long-term health and resilience of our ecosystems.
How do you think these projects will benefit the people of China?
I firmly believe that the health and happiness of our people are intrinsically linked to the health of our ecosystems. By restoring and protecting our natural landscapes, we are not only preserving their beauty for future generations, but also ensuring that our communities have access to clean air, water, and soil. These projects will also create new opportunities for sustainable tourism and economic development, benefiting local communities.
What message would you like to share with our viewers about the importance of ecological protection and restoration?
I want to emphasize that we all have a role to play in protecting and restoring our planet's ecosystems, whether it's through small actions like reducing waste and conserving water, or supporting larger initiatives like the ones being implemented in China. Every effort counts. By working together and recognizing the value of our natural world, we can ensure a healthy and sustainable future for all.
Thank you, Wendy, for sharing your insights and passion with us tonight. It's inspiring to see young people like yourself taking action to protect our planet's precious ecosystems.